What if 50% of white-collar workers lose jobs because of AI? You have Anthropic CEO warning AI could eliminate half of the entry-level white-collar jobs. This article said that could potentially spike unemployment to 20%. So if you look at this chart here, going back to World War II, you can see unemployment only hit 10% 3 times. Back in the 80s when Paul Volcker was raising the interest rate to 20%. The great financial crisis, 2008 to 2009-10 there. And then obviously COVID shot up to the highest levels we've seen, 14.8%, so basically 15%. But that was very temporary and it came back down pretty quickly. So if we did see a 20% to 40% unemployment, we'd be in uncharted territory and there would probably be massive money printing. So if half the white-collar workers did lose their jobs, that would be roughly 46 million people unemployed. Currently, there are 7 to 8 million unemployed, roughly around 4.3%. It would be crazy if unemployment went over 70 million plus between the current unemployed and the white-collar workers losing jobs. White-collar workers would start competing with blue-collar workers for their jobs. It would disrupt the entire market, from anyone from custodians up to office workers. The US has over 160 million workers. If there were 70 million unemployed, that would be around a 40% unemployment rate. So if AI has a massive disruption on the job market, we could see a 10 to 40% unemployment. How much money would the government print? Or will they tax corporations more? Those are questions that society will have to answer. It feels like people with assets will thrive and those without assets will fall behind. Real estate, gold, equities, treasuries, crypto. And if AI does disrupt the job market that way, some form of UBI could become a thing in the near future. Those discussions might start becoming more realistic. Let me know what you think. Do you think this is a hype train, or do you think that we are going to see a big disruption in the job market in the next 1 to 5 years? Thanks for watching and have a good day.